808 drums have been around for quite a while and they're still being used today. In this video, I'm going to look at 6 free 808 drum kit and 808 drum plugins that you can add to your home studio music production. I'm Zane, welcome to Simple Green Tech. Links to all of the plugins mentioned in this video are down in the description, but right now let's jump in. And the first free 808 drum kit plugin on the list is Sitala. This is a pretty straightforward sample player. It has 16 assignable pads. It comes with 2 basic drum kits. One is the 808 and the other one is a 909. But if you wanted to, you could also add your own drum samples into it. Sitala also has some easy to use editing functions for each pad, and it even offers multi-output settings, so you can output each pad to its own track or channel in your DAW. You can get Sitala on both Windows and Mac. Next up on the list is BD808. The BD stands for bass drum, so this one is an 808 bass drum plugin, giving you a lot of control over the sound of your bass drum. If you like the classic sound of the 808 but you want to dial it in to make it your own, Synsonic's BD808 might be a great choice for you. It's available on both Windows and Mac. The next free 808 drum kit plugin is Beatfactory Drums from Beatskills. You actually get 10 kits with this one, including a great sounding 808 kit. It's sampled from the MPC 2500 and has 12 pads with some fairly straightforward controls, plus it includes a built-in reverb effect. You can get Beatfactory Drums on Windows and Mac. Alright, before I get into the next free 808 drum kit on the list, I just want to ask if you're enjoying this video so far, can you please give it a thumbs up? It really helps my channel out and I appreciate it so much. Now, the next free plugin on the list is RVK 808 from Electronic Sound Lab. This is a free drum rompler plugin inspired by the TR-808. It includes 272 samples, which make up 17 drum kits. You can assign each output and use it as a multi-output instrument, and the RVK 808 is available on Mac and Windows. Next on the list is Beat Drummer from Beat Magazine. This one actually comes with 178 kits in a wide variety of styles. You have 12 pads with a mixer, reverb, low pass filter, and more. In addition to the 808 kits, you get so much more variety with Beat Drummer. It's available on Windows and Mac. The next free 808 drum kit plugin is Drum Pro from Studio Linked. This one has 12 pads and comes with 20 drum kits. You get your typical controls and mixer section on a fairly simple user interface. It's available for Mac and Windows. Now, if you want to check out even more free VST plugins, click up here, or click down here to see what YouTube recommends. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching for Simple Green Tech. I'm Zane, keep creating, and we'll talk soon.